Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see who viewed your Instagram video. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, simply go ahead, first of all access your Instagram. When you have uploaded a story, you will be able to check out the you can see who viewed right there, and it will also show you the accounts as well. That's one way to check it out, who have viewed your story and your video. Next is you can go to your profile at the bottom right corner. Go ahead, go to the Reels section where you will find your video. Then you can tap on this, two horizontal line at the bottom. You can scroll down, tap on Insights. And here you should be able to see the views and accounts that has reached. You can also see the average watch time and the followers. You can also check out whether it has been viewed by followers or non-followers. You can check out every single details. And that's one way to figure it out, how many reach you have got. But for the privacy concern from the video, you cannot actually see the accounts who have viewed your reel. You can go to the audience sector and you can check out whether it has been viewed by the followers or non-followers. You can check out the ratio of age, country, and gender. You can check it out, but you cannot find out the accounts. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.